Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and watching my videos. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, that's the Cap, and I'm back with another chapter for you, and that is I love the way I am. I love the way I am. So let me tell you about this chapter. Let's get started. Okay, so everyone has a different way of living. Everyone has a different characteristics of themselves, right? Do you know? कोई भी इंसान सेम नहीं होता है, सब लोग अलग अलग होते हैं. Let's find out कि आप कैसे हैं, okay? You have to put a tick mark next to the pictures that you identify yourself with. Now there are two options of one scenario. There is one situation here and there are two options for that. I will read that for you and you will tell me which one are you. Okay? First is I love to try new things. And second is I love to observe and take time. So this person loves to try new things. इसको बहुत पसंद है नई नई चीजें try करना, okay? But second person love to observe and take time. But उसको पसंद नहीं है. उसको अपना time लेके करना पसंद है. Tell me which one are you? I will tell you mine. I love to try new things. So I will put the tick mark here. I love to try new things. Okay? अगर आपको भी new things try करना पसंद है, we'll put a tick mark over here. All right? Now next is, I love to read all day long. Second is, I love to play all day long. Now, इस बच्चे को पूरा दिन पढ़ना पसंद है. ऐसा कौन सा बच्चा होता है ना जो पूरा दिन पढ़ाई पसंद है? Are you one of them? Okay. Now next is, this child, I love to play all day long. अब इस बच्चे को पूरा दिन खेलना पसंद है और ये सब बच्चों को पसंद होता है ना? Like I also love to play all day long. So I will tick on this box. So let's be honest and now you will tell me yours. Okay, you also love to play all day long. Very nice. Okay, you love to read all day long. Okay, so see, everyone has different characteristics. Okay, you will tick mark on your box. Now come to the next one. Next is, I love to talk, and this boy is saying, I love to listen. So इस लड़की को टॉक करना बोलना पसंद है और इसको सुनना पसंद है, ठीक है? So tell me, which one are you? I love to listen. I am this one, okay? Now please think and then you will tick that which one are you? Do you love to talk or do you love to listen, okay? Then the last one is, I love myself the way I am. Okay, so despite of anything, आप चाहे कैसे भी हो, you should love yourself the way you are. आप जैसे भी हो, you should love yourself, okay? You should accept yourself the way you are, okay? And you should love yourself. That is the most important thing in life, okay? All right. That's about today. The way I love the way I am. Okay. Now I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.